Okay, so now that you've seen the screenshots and we kind of talked about it a little bit, let's actually play around with this live. So I've logged into the student account here, and yours will look similar to this. You might have a different picture here showing up. But the first thing that you'll want to check out is that My Schedule tab. So go ahead and click on that with me from your own account. And then here you're going to be able to see any class connects that you have scheduled for that day or week, however you have it set up to view. If you click week, you can kind of see what you have come in each day. But if you look at it daily, these are those live sessions, the live class connects that you'll go into and hear your teacher present lessons and where you'll actually learn the content that you are supposed to be learning that day. So you need to make sure that you do go to these. They are always recorded. So to go to a recording after the session has ended, this is also where you'll go to see recordings. If you click on that same link again, it will be a recording after it's over. This is also a good place to kind of see what you have going on as far as what assignments or quizzes or tests that need to be done that day. If they've been completed, you're going to see that green check mark. So that's obviously what we want to see. But beyond that, you do need to make sure that you're actually going into each one of your classes daily. So you'll want to click on that classes tab over here, and all of your courses are located on this screen. So like I had just said, you do need to make sure that you actually go to class for each one of your courses every day. So, for example, we'll click on math. And then here is where I'm actually going to find the assignments, the quizzes, the tests, the grade book, and everything for math specifically. And then once I get everything done from math, then I could come up here and I could move on down to science and go into science, and then so on and so forth. Okay? All right, we're going to keep going through orientation. You're doing great.